Hello. Welcome to a quick stretch and snack with Auntie Angel, ZGALA, that's me. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe while I'm thinking of it. Also, want to encourage you to take some deep breaths and let go of some stress. That's what I'm going to do. Let's get right into it with some shoulder shrugs. Just breathing in and lifting the shoulders. Don't mind the ka-chunks, and then just let it go. Let the arms swing if you can. Let's do a couple more of those. Breathing in. Letting it go. I encourage you to indulge in a heavy sigh or three. Let's do one more. Ready? Breathing in. Dancing up, and then there you have it. Doesn't have to take a long time to let go of some stress. I like to stretch those arms across the body a little bit. I like to remind you there's not one way to check in with yourself, and loving yourself doesn't have to take a long time. If you're using not enough time as an excuse, or not the right outfit as an excuse, or don't have a good area as an excuse, just set those excuses to the side and do it anyway, because none of those are a good reason not to check in with your body, not to let go of some stress. Of course, it's wonderful to have a great outfit to do your stretching in, and it's wonderful to have your hair done just right, and it's wonderful to have a special area, but none of those things are necessary to check in with yourself. Give yourself a little more love, and you're worth it, so I hope you do. I also hope you will like and subscribe. I hope you will stay curious, get more courageous, get more fit, and get more free. Remember that we're all in this together. You and me. Thank you for being you. Thank you for letting me be me. Until next time, I'll be seeing you. Peace.